All right, guys, so the boys knocked this out. It took us just over 3 hours flat to get this done. Pool, as you can see, is completely removed. It took one 15-yard, one 20-yard, so it's about 35 yards of trash, and then we have a 15-yard about half full of metal just from the frames and miscellaneous stuff from this above ground pool. So all in all, a quick and easy job, in and out in a few hours, 3 trucks, 3 guys. Let me know in the comments below, what are you guys charging for this in your area? What's up everyone, Heath with Lake Champlain Sanitation here. On today's video, we are bringing you guys a little day in the life on-site junk removal. We've got a pool to tear out today, so I've got Brian, Chris, and my father on site. I'm just doing video work, being in the sling. This is a one-day job for us. We brought a couple dumpsters down and our little Mahindra tractor with a grapple on it. I'm gonna show you guys how we tear out a pool today. As always, if you guys like this content, be sure to like and subscribe. Look forward to bringing you guys this stuff every week. So for this job, we've got one 15-yard dumpster, one 20-yard dumpster, and we picked up a landscape trailer last year so we can haul our little tractor around, bring that down with the F250, and that way everybody's got a truck in case we got to run somewhere. And I'm thinking 2, maybe 3 dumpsters should sum up this job. I actually purchased this little tractor just to clean out our yard, but this grapple bucket, it's a 66-inch grapple bucket, and runs right off a third function hydraulics off the loader. Really helps. We don't quite need a mini excavator yet, but this little tractor, it's a 26 horse, but the frame is like a 30 horse. So it can lift about 1,200 pounds, and it ends up working really good with the grapple to tear up stuff like this. Let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite piece of junk removal equipment? If you've been in this business for a while and you guys get into demo, let me know. Is it as simple as a sledgehammer or a sawzall, or do you guys have equipment with hydraulics that help you get the jobs done depending on how big they are? Hey guys, real quick, we would not be able to land jobs like this if it wasn't for a CRM housing all of our products, our customer information, a place to send out quotes. Where do we do that, you might ask? It's a software called Jobber, and I'm excited to bring to you right now, Jobber is offering a free 2-week trial. All you gotta do is fill out the link in the description below, pop your email in there, give it a try. If you like it, they're giving a 6-month discounted rate when you use our link. This software has done everything for our business, from job cost averaging to learn more about our profits, to being able to adjust our costs on the fly, sending out a Google review as soon as you send an invoice to a customer, which is huge. Reviews are your reputation. So do yourself a favor, give it a try, link in the description below. All right, guys, so the boys knocked this out. Took us just over 3 hours flat to get this done. Pool, as you can see, is completely removed. It took one 15-yard, one 20-yard, So it's about 35 yards of trash, and then we have a 15 yard about half full of metal just from the frames and miscellaneous stuff from this above ground pool. So all in all, a quick and easy job, in and out in a few hours, 3 trucks, 3 guys. Let me know in the comments below, what are you guys charging for this in your area?